Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to show you today's questions from the Time to Climb. So for 65, take away 7. When you do that one, you think, okay, if I'm at 65, if I take away 5, I get to 60. And then if I think, okay, well, I've taken away 5, 7 is broken up into 5 and 2. So 60, then take away the 2, and you get 58. And the answer there is 58. And for question 2, as you can see here, the question 2 was 30 children get into teams of 6. How many teams are there? Okay, so I know that one means 30 children. If they get into teams, you're dividing it into 6. And I know if I think of my 6 times tables, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So there are 5 teams. For question 3, how many 6s make 24? Well, I know 6 times, so that's basically asking us 6 times what is 42. Sorry, 42, not 24. So I know 6 times 7 is 42. And now for question 4, which type of cereal was most popular? Click on the image to see it bigger. So if you click there, you can see. So which cereal was most popular? As we can see that this one goes the highest, it goes to 6. So I know that Life cereal was the most popular. Now for question 5, it asked us how many people voted for Cheerios. So again, click on the image, look at Cheerios, it goes up to 2. So the answer there was 2. For question 6, it asked how many people voted for cornflakes. So if you clicked on the image, you can see cornflakes and it went up to 4. Okay, so 4 people voted for cornflakes. Now, question 7. So this one linked to the previous 2 questions. So it said how many more people voted for cornflakes over Cheerios. So if you looked there, cornflakes was 4, Cheerios was 2. So 2 more people. So the answer there was 2. And for question 8, it asked you what number is halfway between 0 and 50. So if you look at the number line, 0 and 50. So if you counted them all, or if you divide 50 by 2, you would get what is in the middle. So if you look there, exactly in the middle is 25. Or you can do 50 divided by 2. So if you think, okay, it's 50 divided by 2, 2 into 5 goes twice, remainder 1, 2 into 10 goes 5 times, okay? So it's 25. And for question 9, it asked us what is 1 quarter plus 1 quarter, okay? So I know we learned this week that when the denominators are the same, you just add the numerators. So it's still over 4, so 2 over 4, which is 2 quarters, and that we also know can also be written as 1/2. And the last question, it asked us which is biggest, 1/2, 1/3, or 1 quarter. So what you can think is if you had a bar of chocolate, if you divide it into 2 pieces, half and half, and then if you had another one, the exact same size, divide it into 3 pieces, and then just think of one of them, and then divide it into 4 pieces. Which one is bigger? So which one would you prefer to get, the 1/2, 1/3, or 1 quarter one? Or you can look at the fraction wall, you can see 1/2 goes from here over to there. 1/3 is smaller than 1/2, and 1 quarter is even smaller again. So we know that 1/2 is the biggest. Okay, well done.